Hi, Contractor John here. Today we're going to be answering some of our viewers' questions. Next question from Betty and Tom. We're finishing our basement into a game room and we want to have a pool table. There's a column in the way. Can we remove it? Yes, maybe. Oh, this can go both ways. Yes, you can. You should be able to, but it depends on a whole bunch of things. And it always comes down to money. You could always do it, just how much is it going to cost? It depends. I'm going to assume there's a steel outlet column with steel beams. And I'm going to assume the steel beam goes from one foundation wall to the other, and this is a column in the middle. Uh, if the two steel columns are joined on a solid column, that creates a whole other problem. Okay. Either way this goes, I'm going to refer you to a structural engineer. That's who you're going to have to come and take a look at it and make the final determination if this is possible or not. You have to understand, you have to take the span of that piece of steel and what it's allowed to span and the load that's on it for the span, and see if you're at that max span or if you still have some room to go. I took one out last year before, in a basement project we were doing. The steel went from one beam pocket to another. There was a column in the middle, and the span was 3 feet short of the max. Well, we only had to move it 2 feet, so it was, in the realm of we can do this. He had a structural engineer come and take a look at the loads that were currently on there, because you don't know. I mean, they might have engineered the original house to be at the max load for that beam with that span. So it gets real complicated and stuff here. So answer is structural engineer. Have them come take a look at it, and they'll be the one to determine if you can do this or not. So I wish I could have been more definitive help for you, but at least I pointed you in a direction here. So our last question.